Think business class is the highest level of luxury you can afford? Maybe not. There is a way to fly private, sometimes for less than the cost of a business class seat. Go on Google Flights and look up a one-way business class ticket for a popular route. Let's say New York to London. Depending on the airline and date, you will often see prices ranging from $3,000 to over $7,000. Now head to the site I linked down below. Go to the empty legs section. These are flights that are already scheduled and you can hop on at a major discount. Some will show the price right away. Others, like this New York to London route, won't display anything upfront. You will need to enter your name and your email, and they will send you the available flights directly. And while not every route will match your exact plans, sometimes you will find private jet flights for under $1,000. Way roomier than business class, no lines, no crowds, and no layovers. If you're flexible with your schedule and want the luxury experience without the business class price tag, this might be your best kept secret. Links in the description if you want to check what's available right now.